How do file extensions work in digital file management? Imagine trying to find your favorite song or a school project in a huge digital closet. How do you know which file is which without opening every single one? That's where file extensions come into play. File extensions are tiny codes added to the end of a file name, usually after a period. For example, a document might end with docx, a picture with JPG, and a video with MP4. These little tags tell your computer what kind of file it is and what software can open it. Think of them as labels on folders in a filing cabinet. When you double-click a file, your computer looks at the extension to decide which program to use. If the file ends with LXLX, it opens with Excel, the spreadsheet program. If it's PDF, it opens with a PDF reader. This helps you avoid confusion and makes organizing your schoolwork easier. File extensions also tell your computer how to behave with the file. For example, files are programs that can run code. Opening an X from an unknown source can be risky because it might contain harmful software. That's why knowing extensions helps you stay safe online. Common file extensions students see include for Word documents, LXLX for Excel spreadsheets, PPTX for PowerPoint presentations, PDF for sharing documents, JPG or for images, MP4 for videos, and zip for compressed files that hold many files together. Managing these files during your first year of school becomes easier when you recognize these extensions. You can quickly identify what type of file it is without opening it. This saves time when sorting your assignments or class notes. For example, you might keep all your presentations in one folder labeled PowerPoint files and all your essays in a folder called Word documents. Knowing file extensions also helps you choose the right program to open or edit a file. If you see a PDF, you know to use a PDF reader. If it's a JPG, you can open it with your photo viewer. Plus, if you need to share multiple files, you can compress them into a zip folder to make sharing easier and faster. Being aware of extensions also helps prevent mistakes. For instance, if you see a file named homework docx, it might look like a Word document but is actually an executable file that could harm your computer. Always be cautious with files that have double extensions or strange names. In school, digital organization is key. Recognizing file extensions helps you keep your files tidy and easy to find. It also makes sure you're opening the right files with the right programs, saving you time and frustration. Whether you're working on a project, studying for a test, or sharing files with classmates, understanding how file extensions work makes managing your digital school life much smoother.